Do you know that the moment you wake up in the morning, you start to do a series of actions? These actions or morning routine, in fact, impact how you are going to perform on that day. Now that you're aware, it's time to engineer your morning so that you have a productive day. Here's how to engineer your morning. First step, you want to observe without changing anything, right? So, what do you want to observe? Observe the daily friction and also the drains, your energy drains. Okay. Here are three questions I prepare for you so that you can start thinking what are your friction points? So, the first question is that you want to find out where do you lost time? Yeah. So ask yourself, where do you lost time? Is it because you want to prepare breakfast or don't know what to eat? Okay, what clothes you want to wear? So that you lost a lot of times during the decision makings, right? So this is our first question. Next is, do you have repeated interruptions? Because sometimes when you wake up in the morning, you pick up your phone and you start seeing a lot of messages or your social media, people comments and so on, right? Then you just go in and start rest or reply to them. Then that is where you lost a lot of time. Okay. And finally, is there any task take longer than expected? Right? What I mean is that maybe you think that, hey, I plan to have to make some toast breakfast, but in order to make toast, maybe because you plan like 10 minutes to do it, but in fact it takes longer. Okay, because someone else maybe is using the toast, you gotta wait and so on. So these are the three questions that you want to ask yourself. When you observe these questions, I want you to note down how much time, in fact, you lost time, right? Okay. So instead of like 10 minutes, you want to prepare for breakfast, and now you take up 20 minutes, right? So, or you plan to go toilet for 15 minutes, but end up you go in for 30 minutes because while you're in the toilet, maybe you respond to your social media. You just spend too much time on your social media. The next question is regarding on your energy drain. So these are the three questions. Yeah, you want to ask yourself, right? What are the thoughts dominates your mind when you first wake up? Do you have any worries? What are things that you worry about when you wake up in the morning? Is it because you, especially let's say a raining day, is the traffic going to have a jam, or am I going to be late at work to work? Okay, so these are the thoughts that pops up in your mind when you first wake up, right? So it's best that you have a journal or a diary. Take that, okay, write it down, yeah, and you also want to write down how you feel when you wake up. All right. Is it you feel refreshed or you still feel very tiring? You feel that I just don't want to wake up? Write down how you feel when you wake up. And then what are the activities that will gives you more energy? Yeah. To enhance your energy. Yeah. Rather than drain it. Okay. Remember, I talk about my morning routine, the 10-10-10 method, that I spend 10 minutes on meditation. Okay. 10 minutes on planning and journal, and 10 minutes to move around. Okay. So the activities like moving around can be simple walk. Yeah. Now you don't have to follow exactly my 10-10-10, right? You can start with maybe just a 5 minutes walk or 5 minutes jump, right? Just keep roll jumping. That will give you the energy, right? Because I find that that gives me the energy. So that's why I do it. Okay. So this is for you to aware where is your energy drain and also things that can help boost your energy. So once you observe that, the second step is experiment. Yeah. Experiment with just one small tweak. Don't go and change everything. Yeah. So if you feel that, hey, it takes too much time for me to make my coffee, so maybe you prepare your coffee up front. For example, I make my own coffee in the morning. So if I don't have the time, I will grind my coffee bean ready. Yeah. And just put it on my coffee machine. And then in the morning, I just press a button. It will make my espresso for me. So these are something that you can do, prepare earlier. You know that that will save you time. But try it with one tweak. Okay. Just one small tweak. Don't go and change everything. Yeah. Next, then you want to check, did the tweak reduce your friction? Okay, makes you feel better and improves your energy. Yeah, because when you don't feel good when you go to work first thing in the morning, it will impact your productivity for the whole day, right? Do you agree on that? Leave a comment right below. Yeah. So this is how I feel. If I go in and then I don't feel good, yeah, it impacts my whole day performance. I want you to aware that, right? It's best that you have your journal, okay, write down or put it in the OneNote, right? You know that I talk about OneNote all the time. Just create one notebook, right, or one section about this, and then put it inside your OneNote, and then start seeing what are things that can be improved. So these are all the self-improvement tips. And then finally, I mean, as a lean improvement consultant, I always encourage Kaizen, which is continuous improvement. So after one tweak, you see the improvement, repeat the 1 to 3 step again, right? To see what other improvements can you improve. Removes your friction and add in those energy boosting activities. Okay. So you feel that, hey, maybe I can do a 5 minutes yoga, yeah, or 5 minutes meditation. Yeah. So you can start with that, right? You don't have to do an hour of for so-called workout or yoga in order to benefit from that, right? Now, if you want to know how to find those like 5 minutes, 10 minutes meditation or yoga, just leave a comment right below. I'll share the links to you. Sometimes for me, I do my yoga from YouTube. I just pick up like 5 minutes, 10 minutes yoga session. Yeah. Especially those are just for stretching. Right? It actually helps wakes me up. Now, so in summary, there's only 3 steps. Okay. Observe, experiment. Yeah. Just experiment with just one tweak. Then check whether it improves your morning routine, your feeling, right? Before you get to work. And then remember, Kaizen continues to improve. Just repeat the 1, 2, 3 steps. Now, you can screenshot this, right? This is a quick, simple like Excel sheet that you put in. Okay. When you wake up, what are the friction points? Do you see what are the energy drains? And you think that, hey, is this I can put in some energy boosters, right? And put in those. Yeah, you can create this using OneNote. Yeah, I taught a lot of all this inside my OneNote videos. Okay, just put in a simple table there and then record it down. So that way you can improve. And finally, always remember, improve one step at a time. You will get there. Yeah, I guarantee you that. So do not have to change everything. Take one step at a time. And I hope these short videos will give you ideas how to engineer your productive morning routine. Now, if you like this type of video, do subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that every week when we publish new content, you'll be notified. And this is Andrew. I'll see you real soon in my next video.